car that changed the face of the automotive industry now has a new face, with a grille that chomps at anything in its path, HID headlamps that stab through darkness and fog, and a hood that takes the heat off the engine and blows it into the jet stream. If you catch a glimpse of its profile, you'll notice a new splitter emerging from under its nose that catches the air and pushes the front end down to enhance handling. The new wheels and rockers painted to match the flanks are icing on the cake. For 2013, the design sweeps around behind the car more seamlessly than ever before, with new LED racetrack tail lamps ringing separate turn signals that blink sequentially. So even in the dark, the Mustang is unmistakable. This isn't just sheet metal. This is skin stretched tight over muscle.